What is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's install. I just received my fourth brake light from 86 Speed Factory, so let's open this up and let's see how it looks. Those of you guys that may not know, this is the GCS smoked fourth brake light. So here it is, here's the fourth brake light. I can't get over how beautiful it looks. And we got our harness right over here. So this is gonna be today's install, so let's get right to it and wish me luck. First thing we're gonna do is raise the car.
12 seconds later.
Car is officially on jack stands. Okay, so I was able to take off the light, as you can see. It still have a little problem here, but I was able to take out the two 10mm bolts that are here, and there's two clips on the side, so you just take those off, as you can see. Also, I have my exhaust here. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna take off the light, but I think I'm just gonna try and force it through without scratching, and let's see how we do.
Few moments later.
So I found a way how to take off the fourth brake light without removing the diffuser. Just went back here and took this clip off along with the partner clip over here, just so I can able to move this out the way just slightly. Now the plan is just to pull these from the trunk right out. And here it is. The gasket's right here. Gonna pull these cables out from here. So what we do next is we take out the reverse light wiring all the way from the hole. Let's go and install our fourth brake light in here. So fourth brake light is now installed. So now we just gotta finish up our basic wiring, and that will be it.
The very next evening.
I just came up to this parking structure here in Santa Monica, and I'm just gonna record here how the running lights look. So I waited till evening so the lights stand out a little more rather than in the daylight. So I just want to finish showing you guys how the light looks, and this is with the car on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys with the brake and the reverse light, and that'll be the end of the video. It is really cold out here, so let's make this quick. Okay guys, so that'll be the end of the video. My friend Marcus helped me film this, so if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and there'll be more content to come, and see you in the next one.